There's an amazingly powerful device that lets you control your entire home right from the palm of your hand. It's your phone. Thanks to the new smart lighting controls from the Radiant collection. Now you can conveniently control lamps, small appliances, and whole house lighting from anywhere with just a word or a touch. It's app and voice-based technology that integrates with leading smart home products, delivering the ultimate in control. Radiant's low-profile switches and outlets from Legrand seamlessly pull your house together. No more ugly screws. Just a clean design in stylish color options. But it's not just getting by on good looks. With today's smartest technology built right into every smart switch and outlet, Radiant makes your home even smarter. It installs easily with your existing wiring, and the app lets you control single devices or simply set the perfect mood. Get complete control from wherever you are, save energy, or choose a lighting scene. Put yourself in the driver's seat on security, knowing your home is secure and looks occupied even when you're away. What's more, you can also light things up for your arrival. Make life even more fun by taking complete creative control of your family's most magical moments. So, what's the amazing device that delivers security, convenience, energy savings, and complete home lighting control? The smart lighting controls from the Radiant collection. Live with more style. Live with more control. Live more Radiant.